thank you so much for being here and watching. If you are new here, hi, my name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you're into subscription boxes, I would love if you joined us and subscribed. Right now we do have a 9,000 subscriber giveaway going on. As a big thank you to all my subscribers. If you guys have not yet entered, I will leave that link down below so you can check it out after this video. There will also be a card for it at the end of the video as well that you can easily click on. So let's talk about today's box. We are going to be opening Variety Fun, and this is a snack subscription, and look at this huge box. This is full of 40 snacks. So Variety Fun has multiple subscription plan options. Today we are opening up the Fun Box, and in the Fun Box it is all classic snacks, and like I said, you get 40 each month. So the Fun Box is $24.99, and they also offer the Fit Box, which has more what you would consider healthy snacks, and that box is $39.99, and you receive 30 snacks per box. So you get to determine what frequency you want to receive these boxes. You can get them every 2 or 4 weeks. I get this box every month. I think this box is great, especially if you pack lunches for yourself or kids at home. And every month you get such a variety, like their name suggests, Variety Fun. So I do have a promo code. It is not affiliated, which means I don't make any money. It's just to help you guys out, and that will save you 30% on your first box. So I'm going to link their website down below along with that promo code to save you some money if you're interested. But yeah, let's get started. This is what the box looks like every month. Super cute and fun. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. Seriously, all the way full of snacks. I had someone once ask me if the snacks are ever like crushed or anything like that, and they always arrive perfect. So there's a little, oh, they have a little game in here. This is new. It says, "It's here, no more waiting," and it says, "We hope you enjoy your snacks. Now enjoy a little extra fun." So it's one of those like find the word puzzles. Love that. And yeah, let's just get started. I'll just show you all the snacks in here, and myself will be grumbling the whole time. So here we have Tostitos Baked. So these are their scoop tortilla chips. I think this is the first time I've gotten these in here, and I have some salsa in my fridge right now, so good timing. And we have Smart Food White Cheddar Popcorn. I don't think I've tried this. Doritos Flama. This is a reduced fat, so there's only 130 calories, and I guess there's 25% less fat than regular Doritos. I didn't know they offered this. So these look like they're like spicy chips, and I absolutely love spicy. We have some Keebler Fudge Stripes mini cookies. Quaker Chewy Dark Chocolate Chunk Granola Bar. Ooh, I've never tried these before. These are Michael at Augustin 4 Buttery Shortbread Cookie Squares with dark chocolate and a pinch of sea salt. Wait, maybe I have tried these. Now that I look at the picture of them right here, I think I have gotten these a while ago. And they are so good. So there's one in dark chocolate, and then there's another one in triple chocolate. So it looks like it's also covered. Oh my god, I am so excited about those. Yum. Ooh, these are good too. Andy Capp's Hot Fries. We have another Dorito pack in here, but this is their spicy sweet chili, and again, it's the reduced fat version. Nice. Ooh, I love sour cream and onion. Here, Pop Chips Sour Cream and Onion. We have some rolled gold pretzels, and it's their heart soles. Oh, it's their pretzel shaped like hearts. So cute. Keebler Chips Deluxe Minis in rainbow. So there's like different color little M&Ms on there. We have Scooby-Doo Baked Graham Cracker Sticks. Here's another one of the Keebler cookies. This is their bite-sized cookies with mini M&Ms. We have 2 of them here. Cookies are my favorite snack, so nice. Oh, it looks like we have several Pringle packs. So we have 3 of the Pringles Original individual serving packs. So you can try portions wrong. We have Goldfish, the original like cheddar flavored. Ooh, you know how I just said I love cookies? I see a bunch of cookies I love. So I love Grandma's cookies. So we have 2 of the chocolate brownie here. And this might be my favorite flavor. Oh my god, I just love chocolate and I love cookies. And they're like so soft and chewy and amazing. And we also have 2 of the Grandma's in peanut butter, which might be like my second favorite. I don't know, they're all so good. I'm so bad at choosing favorites, but I can tell you these are amazing. We have Kellogg's Rice Krispie Treats, an original. And there's like a little white heart here, so if you do pack lunches, I guess kids aren't really going to school, but I heard summer camps are opening, but you can write a little note there. And a cat's trying to get in here. Just push it open, baby. Push it. I don't feel like getting off of my mane. We have another goldfish pack. And also another Rice Krispie treat. I see several granola bars. Here is one in chocolate chip. Another chocolate chip. And then peanut butter chocolate chip. I think when I was a kid, this one was my favorite. We have some fruit gushers. That reminds me of being a kid. Oh my gosh. We have Airheads in grape flavors. There's 2 of them. I think it's good they actually give like pairs of something, so if you do have little ones at home, I just remember like I'd be like fighting with my brother over who gets what, like you can both get them. We have Mott's assorted fruit, little fruit snacks. Another thing I love. I just love snacks. Here is Austin Cheddar cheese on cheese sandwich crackers. And then we also have the Austin peanut butter on toasty sandwich crackers. Oh, looks like there's one more of these, and it's another peanut butter one, and this is on cheese sandwich crackers. These are all different. I'm running out of space here. So we have 2 more snacks, and this one is fruit by the foot, and this is in what flavor? Oh, you got the door open. I'm not sure. Is it just, do they have just one flavor? It just says fruit flavored snack. I have not had that. Oh, it says look for flavor here. Straw? Oh, strawberry. A little slow today. And last but not least, we have another fruit gushers here. I seriously don't think I've got these in a box before, and I don't remember last time I had these. It was probably like 20 years ago. But that was everything. I love the variety we get in this box every month. So it'll be like some things you might get in the other boxes in the past, but they throw in new things as well. So it really is such a variety, and I think there's really something here for everyone. So I love this box. I think $24.95 or even less if you use that 30% off code is a great deal for 40 snacks, right? But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts down below. What snack do you think in here is your favorite? I mean, the cookies kind of caught my eye this time, but I think I just have a sweet tooth today. But everything sounds super awesome. But I would love to know what your thoughts are, and also what's your favorite snack. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.